Popular Nigerian comic actor Bamidele Tope Saint, professionally known as Okeimesi, is dead. Okeimesi died at the hospital on Tuesday, February 24th, 2026 at about 11:50 a.m. It was reported that the actor died after spending a few hours in coma following complications from drugs administered to him at the hospital. Announcing his death in a video shared on Instagram and YouTube, is actor Tony Montana Jeff stated that his body had been deposited in the mortuary. With a heavy heart, he said he is announcing to the world that Okeimesi is dead. The doctor pronounced him dead at exactly 11:50 a.m. this morning, February 24, 2026. Okeimesi is gone. So on behalf of the entire Bamidele family, I'm announcing to the world that Oluwatope Bamidele Saint Okeimesi is dead. We have taken the body to the morgue. I will communicate the rest of the arrangement to you guys. We appreciate every one of you who turned up for him. May God forgive Okeimesi and rest his soul, he stated. Before the death of Okeimesi, this man has been the one running up and down, taking him to the hospital and monitoring his health. Also, trying his best with all the support that the people could give. It's a pity that Okeimesi eventually gave up. We pray that his soul rests in peace. This is a sudden loss to the Nollywood family, especially 2 weeks after the death of Auntie Ajara. May their souls both rest in peace.